Someone on this channel asked me to make a video on how to buy Pinduoduo with Alipay Tourcard. So you are going to learn that in this video. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, for some people that doesn't know what Alipay Tourcard is all about, Alipay Tourcard is a new app on Alipay, or we can just say is a rename from Alipay TourPass to Alipay Tourcard. That's just the basic meaning of Alipay Tourcard, which means that you can use your foreign bank card, whatever country of your choice. If you have MasterCard or Visa card, you can use that to fund the Alipay Tourcard in Alipay. When you fund it, then you can use the fund or you can use the money to purchase on 1688 Taobao or Pinduoduo or any Chinese e-commerce platform that accepts Alipay as a means of payment. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can purchase with Alipay Tourcard on Pinduoduo, just like these questions implies. But before we dive deep into tutorial, as you guys know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm a procurement and importation coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So without being said, so let's dive into tutorial and see how to buy on Pinduoduo with Alipay Tourcard. So let's pay. So I will head over to my Pinduoduo app right here. So when you open up your Pinduoduo app, you have to navigate to your Pinduoduo profile. So when you get to your Pinduoduo profile, one thing you need to do is to click on your cart. So I have the products in my cart already. So this product right here, I'm going to purchase this product with my Alipay Tourcard. So for me to purchase this product, I have to click on here to select only this product. Once it's selected, I'm paying 48 RMB to purchase this. I have to click on here to proceed to payment. Then it takes me to this page. So one thing you need to do if you want to pay with Alipay Tourcard, first thing first, you make sure that your Alipay is selected at the payment checkout right here. So once that is selected, the next thing you want to do is to click on here to proceed to the payment. Boom. So you can see the payment has been done successful, just like that. So you can close this tab right here. And the next thing you want to do, you can go back to your profile. By the time you refresh, the product is going to be here. You can see the product right here. So this is how you can make a purchase with your Alipay Tourcard on Pinduoduo step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial about importation with Pinduoduo or 1688 or Taobao or any Chinese e-commerce platform. If you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.